अलग अलग करें, एक साथ करते हैं। पवन का आदमी है तुम?
आप जरा कुछ बताइए डायरेक्टर आप
Sorry, can I brief you a little bit at least so you can see them?
नहीं देखिए, मेरे साथ में जो दो लोग खड़े हैं, एक फिल्म के डायरेक्टर हैं और ये हमारे मित्र हैं। इन लोगों ने फिल्म बनाई है और सबसे जो मुझे अभी बताया इन लोगों ने कि जो मुझे बहुत ख़ास बात लगती है और जिस तरह की बॉलीवुड में फिल्में बनती हैं उसमें तो काफ़ी इम्पॉसिबल लगता है कि एक 3 लोगों की क्रू ने अमेरिका में एक 10 लाख के बजट में फिल्म बनाई है। और मैंने फिल्म का ट्रेलर देखा है और अगर आप भी ट्रेलर देखेंगे तो आपको यकीन होगा कि फिल्म किसी भी बॉलीवुड ए क्लास प्रोडक्शन से कम नज़र नहीं आती है। तो मुझे जब मैं यहाँ आ रहा था तो मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ पता नहीं था फिल्म के बारे में, तो मुझे लगा मैं थोड़ा सा तो रिसर्च करूँ। देन आई सॉ द ट्रेलर एंड आई वाज ब्लोन अवे बाय इट एंड बाय द फैक्ट कि इतनी शिद्दत, इतने कन्विक्शन के साथ लोग काम करते हैं कि देखिए बड़े बजट के साथ, पूरी टीम के साथ, स्टार कास्ट के साथ में फिल्म तो बनाना आसान तो नहीं, लेकिन बहुत लोग कर सकते हैं। लेकिन एक इतने छोटे बजट में 3 लोगों के क्रू के साथ पिक्चर बनाना और इस तरह की फिल्म बनाना जिसका लुक इंटरनेशनल हो, मैं समझता हूँ मैं बहुत दाद देता हूँ प्रोड्यूसर को, डायरेक्टर को और जो भी इनकी टीम है। और मेरी शुभकामनाएं हैं कि फिल्म ऑनलाइन रिलीज़ के ज़रिए बहुत लोगों तक पहुँचे और इट विल सर्टनली इंस्पायर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत लोगों को इंस्पिरेशन मिलेगी कि यस वी कैन ऑल्सो मेक अ फिल्म लाइक दिस, यस वी कैन ऑल्सो मेक अ टेल अ स्टोरी with a very basic crew and with not too much of budgetary support.
एज ए डायरेक्टर ऑनलाइन फिल्म का रिलीज होना कितना आप मानते हैं कि कितना रिस्क ये थोड़ा सा?
नहीं देखिए, क्या है फिल्म के बिजनेस में रिस्क और प्रॉफिट जो है ना, इससे तय होता है कि फिल्म पर आपने खर्चा कितना किया है। लेकिन अगर आपने फिल्म जो है वो लगभग 10 लाख रुपए में बनाई है तो मुझे तो कोई शक नहीं है कि इस फिल्म की लागत, और ना सिर्फ लागत बल्कि इस फिल्म पर ऑनलाइन उसको रिलीज करके उस पर प्रॉफिट भी कमाया जा सकता है। अगर इस फिल्म पे बहुत पैसा लगा होता तो शायद आप सोचते कि क्या ऑनलाइन रिलीज करके उस फिल्म की लागत को आप निकाल पाएंगे या नहीं। लेकिन चूंकि बहुत टाइट बजट में फिल्म बनाई है तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि द फिल्म विल फाइंड इट्स ऑडियंस ऑनलाइन।
Sir, the film will be only confined to online release, or you will be releasing in theater. Like there are videos like there where theater PVR have got that.
Yeah.
So you will be using that medium also. It will be confined to online as well.
Right now it's confined to the online space. In fact, the backstory of this film is I've been traveling with this film for the last 1 year. I'm calling it the Great Indian Traveling Cinema. So I've done 90 screenings all over the world, including US, Singapore, India. So people have seen the movie already, a lot of people. And now I'm going finally to online because my audience is on the internet. I'm sure you, me, all of us on the internet all the time.
Have you been inspired by somebody or
In India, no, because frankly, my first movie, Love Wrinkle Free, I made a movie called Love Wrinkle Free before this. So that had a PVR director's rare release. So I went through that process. I realized that you get a single show in one very odd timing. And so I don't want to go through the process again like that. You know, I want my film to be watched by some people at least. So I've shown it to a lot of people in the standee screenings, and now online, I'm reaching out to all these people who have seen my movies in various places. So plus they will spread through word of mouth, you know. So I think, yeah.
Let's
Sorry.
talk about film's story. What exactly story
Yeah.
in the film?
Yeah, it's a story of an Indian IT guy, techie, Venki, who stays in Matunga, and he's sent to US for a leadership seminar. And essentially it's a story of a techie from his groin to his heart. It's an adult humor, but in a good space, not sleazy, not in the dirty space. It's a nice, sensible comedy about a guy whose journey from his groin part to the heart part. You know, that's pretty much. And also it's an Indo-Mexican angle भी है उसमें. वहाँ पे जाके he meets a Mexican girl, lots of mariachi music. And essentially he's trying to question this whole aspect of what is to be a man in 21st century. Like, you know, when he goes there, something happens to him which makes him question as to what is it to be a man in today's world, you know. Is it about opening the door for the girl, or is it about beating her? You know, lots of things we hear about. So it's all wrong. A lot of things are negative are happening against women, but you know.
But you're releasing the movie online, you must have researched about the success
Yes,
of online.
yes.
Have you been inspired by any success story of an online
See,
film?
around the world, yes. India, I don't know about many stories, but outside the country, outside in other countries, yes, it's been done before. Like even directors like Spike Lee and all are there. So you know, they have done these things before. Vimeo Pro, where I'm releasing the movie, is a professional service where you can pick up and I can choose a ticket rate in each country. I can choose my India how much, US how much. So So that's pretty much what people like me are looking for, yeah. I mean,
And besides the project, the future, what you will do? Produce or direct a commercial movie, or is it all confined to
see,
online?
these are all engaging films. Both the movies I made till now, including Ola Venki, are entertaining, engaging films. So just that the language is in Indian English, budget is smaller. I would still want to be on the tighter budget space, but reach out to more number of people. So I'm sure with my third movie, I would be able to reach out to more number of people.
Today, who have you invited from your side?
So I've called lots of people. Let's see how many people have time to come out and watch an independent film. So I'm pretty much on my own. I don't care who comes, who doesn't come. But I'll keep making my movies. So it doesn't bother me who comes.
It's a lot, yeah.
This camera.
All right.
Ask me what kind of role you are playing in the movie and what really made you to be part of the movie.
What kind of role? I'm playing a really, really small part. What maybe a part of it is just that Sandeep picked up the phone and he said there was a tiny part in the beginning of the movie and would I do it, and that's good enough for me because I've done Sandeep's movie earlier, Love Wrinkle Free. So
As you know, the film is releasing online. Itself.
yes, yeah.
So do you think that the success ratio when the film is released as theater and online will be different as such?
I don't know. With this, I mean, I know that he would have had a problem with the censor certification and all that, so I believe that is the only way to release it. So let's see how it goes. I think it's interesting because he's done the whole traveling cinema, he's traveled with it. The concept of the film is interesting with the budget and the crew and all that, so I think all that matters to the people who are watching it. So I hope people do spend that $3 to stream it, or whatever, $5 to buy it as well. So yeah.
But last question, in reality, what should we do to promote indie film as such? Indie film don't get the government support, it's not a corporate, so how should we survive in the market?
See, I don't like to differentiate too much between indie and corporate, and I know that people will say this is mass and this is the. I believe good stuff is good stuff in general, and I think we need to differentiate. We need to stop differentiating and allow just projects to happen. So whether an actor is well known, not well known, shouldn't matter as long as there's a certain substance to the film. That's really what I think of. But yeah, as far as India goes, we still categorize indie cinema too much, I think. So we've got to let it loose, I think. Yeah, that's it.